Top 20 JMeter Advanced Interview Questions. Question 1. How do you configure JMeter for distributed testing? A. By using multiple machines and JMeter's master-slave configuration. B. By setting up JMeter on one machine only. C. By using cloud-based services only. D. By using a single JMeter instance with high resources. The correct answer is A. By using multiple machines and JMeter's master-slave configuration. Distributed testing requires a master-slave setup with multiple machines. Question 2. Which element is used for parameterization in JMeter? A. CSV dataset config. B. User-defined variables. C. Random variable. D. JDBC request. The correct answer is A. CSV dataset config. CSV dataset config allows external parameterization from CSV files. Question 3. How can you implement custom functions in JMeter? A. By using JSR223 preprocessor. B. By writing Java code in the script. C. By using Bean Shell sampler. D. By using JMeter plugins. The correct answer is A. By using JSR223 preprocessor. JSR223 preprocessor allows writing custom scripts in various languages. Question 4. Which JMeter feature helps with load testing API endpoints? A. HTTP request sampler. B. WebSocket sampler. C. JDBC request. D. SOAP, XMLRPC request. The correct answer is A. HTTP request sampler. The HTTP request sampler is used for load testing web APIs. Question 5. How can you generate a dynamic load pattern in JMeter? A. By using a constant throughput timer. B. By using a uniform random timer. C. By using a throughput controller. D. By using a Gaussian random timer. The correct answer is A. By using a constant throughput timer. The constant throughput timer can control throughput dynamically during tests. Question 6. What is the purpose of the throughput controller in JMeter? A. To control the number of requests per minute. B. To control request execution based on throughput. C. To simulate user activity more realistically. D. To handle dynamic data in API requests. The correct answer is B. To control request execution based on throughput. Throughput controller allows controlling the throughput of requests during a test. Question 7. Which JMeter element is used for correlation in load tests? A. Regular expression extractor. B. User-defined variables. C. Post processor. D. CSV dataset config. The correct answer is A. Regular expression extractor. The regular expression extractor is used for dynamic data extraction. Question 8. How can you create custom metrics in JMeter? A. By using JMeter plugins for reporting. B. By writing a custom listener script. C. By modifying the JMeter core code. D. By using standard JMeter listeners. The correct answer is A. By using JMeter plugins for reporting. JMeter plugins extend reporting capabilities for custom metrics and graphs. Question 9. Which JMeter component is used for testing WebSocket connections? A. WebSocket sampler. B. HTTP request sampler. C. JDBC sampler. D. SOAP, XMLRPC request. The correct answer is A. WebSocket sampler. WebSocket sampler is used for testing WebSocket connections in JMeter. Question 10. What does the JMeter counter element do? A. Generates sequential or random numbers for each request. B. Generates unique request IDs for the entire test. C. Tracks the number of requests in a test. D. Logs all counters to a file. The correct answer is A. Generates sequential or random numbers for each request. The counter element generates sequential or random numbers for parameterization. Question 11. Which listener is used to monitor request performance over time? A. Graph results. B. View results in table. C. Summary report. D. Aggregate report. The correct answer is A. Graph results. Graph results listener visualizes the performance of requests over time. Question 12. How can you handle multiple test iterations in JMeter? A. By using loop controller. B. By using for each controller. C. By using while controller. D. By using interleave controller. The correct answer is A. By using loop controller. The loop controller runs a set of requests multiple times. Question 13. What is the purpose of a preprocessor in JMeter? A. To execute tasks before the sampler request. B. To process data after the sampler request. C. To manage the sampler's execution flow. D. To monitor the sampler request performance. The correct answer is A. To execute tasks before the sampler request. Preprocessors execute actions before a sampler request is sent. Question 14. Which element is used for dynamic load testing in JMeter? A. Constant throughput timer. B. Gaussian random timer. C. Uniform random timer. D. Random timer. The correct answer is A. Constant throughput timer. The constant throughput timer helps simulate dynamic load patterns. Question 15. How can you simulate a user's think time in JMeter? A. By using timers. B. By using assertions. C. By using preprocessors. D. By using controllers. The correct answer is A. By using timers. Timers add delays think time between requests to simulate user behavior. Question 16. Which listener provides response times for each request? A. View results tree. B. Graph results. C. Summary report. D. Aggregate report. The correct answer is A. View results tree. View results tree provides detailed information and response times per request. Question 17. How can you configure JMeter for multithreaded testing? A. By using thread groups. B. By using multiple samplers. C. By configuring load balancer. D. By setting up multiple listeners. The correct answer is A. By using thread groups. Thread groups are used to simulate multiple concurrent users in JMeter. Question 18. What is a bean shell sampler used for in JMeter? A. For executing bean shell scripts in the test plan. B. For generating dynamic variables. C. For recording user scripts. D. For data parameterization in requests. The correct answer is A. For executing bean shell scripts in the test plan. Bean shell sampler allows running custom bean shell scripts during tests. Question 19. What is a dummy sampler in JMeter used for? A. For testing without making any real requests. B. For simulating heavy traffic. C. For logging test execution results. D. For parameterizing requests with random values. The correct answer is A. For testing without making any real requests. Dummy sampler allows for placeholder tests without generating real HTTP requests. Question 20. Which feature allows JMeter to generate custom reports? A. JMeter plugins. B. Report dashboard. C. Listener reports. D. View results tree. The correct answer is B. Report dashboard. The report dashboard provides a customizable report generation feature in JMeter.